Hey guys, welcome to a new video. It is so good to see you. Do you have something that you need to clamp in your vise that shouldn't get damaged? Or maybe something that is round and just won't stay there? If that is the case, I have a very quick tip for you, because I had the same problem when I wanted to unscrew the rear foot pegs of the BMW. See how it gets these little dents and rods from the vise? How can I protect this little star thread basically from being damaged by the vise? The cheap homemade DIY style to do that is using 2 pieces of wood. Oh, there we go. Nice. But there's a fancier version and also not very expensive that I want to share with you, because it is these little tips that make life so much easier, right? I got 2 professional sets of vise jaws. Both of them have magnets on them, so they stick to the vise. One is made from plastic and more for holding tubes, and the other one is made from aluminum but has a rubber padding. So let me show those to you. These are the plastic ones. Fit very nicely. And now the aluminum ones, which are a bit sturdier. I got those 2 sets as a pack for 15 euros off Amazon, so that is super cheap but helps out a lot, and you won't ruin any parts anymore. I put the link down below in the description box if you want to check it out for yourself. But before that, let me show you how they fit and work on the vise, so you know what you're buying. So let's imagine you would have to work on a tube like this. This is a part of my new exhaust system, and if I wanted to clamp this in to my vise, just like so, I would probably damage the tube, at least the looks. So what you would use for a tube like this is the blue vise jaws. These are perfect. They're shaped in a way to properly secure the tube, and you can either place it this way or that way. On to the second set, the silver ones. You would use those for, let's see, for example, for the Moto gadget mirrors. And these are very special because they don't use glass. I don't want to stretch them. So I would use the silver ones with a rubber padding on the inside to hold these in place. And then you can work on them or get a screw loose, whatever you need to do. So that's how you upgrade your vise for only 15 euro and save you a lot in repairing parts. So don't get me wrong, the DIY version also works and I've used it several times, but it just has a few drawbacks. So I'm super happy that I have these now and I don't have to worry about damaging my parts anymore or use these old wooden blocks. So that's it for today's video. I hope this little tip helped some of you. Most of you might know about this, but it never fails to surprise me how much I don't know yet. So I just want to give back also some of the more basic tips, because I think it might help someone out there who's in the same situation as I am, just starting out building custom bikes. And I just want to use this beginner's mind and just share as much as possible with you, because I feel like once I progress too much, I get detached from those little things that might help a lot. And if you want to see more of my tools, then let me know down below in the comments, or if you have a tool that is super helpful and that I should get, please also let me know. So yeah, maybe it helps some of you, and I'll see you in the next one.